Hello folks, and welcome to another unboxing video by me, Gareth James. Today I'm looking at the Xiaomi 70mm dash camera. This is a 1080p 30 frames per second dash camera by the company Xiaomi, and it's apparently a smart camera as well. We'll get into that a little bit later, but here we go. You can buy this on Amazon for about £32. It comes from China. But there are UK stockists of it, so it shouldn't take too long to arrive, and at that price point it's probably worth a look at for a 1080p camera. So let's get into it. So let's take a look inside. Okay, I'll put that up there in a minute. So we've got the user manual, you've got a little installation tag here. Let's put that there. Let's have a look at the manual itself then. Right. The manual shows a couple of pictures on the first page of the camera itself and where the buttons are. And it's, you know, if it has been translated from Chinese, it is pretty good in fairness. Some of them that come over are really badly translated, but that seems to be quite straightforward. Here we go. Here's the camera itself then. Let's have a look. We've got... Right, so the front of it, there's the lens. This is the dash cam mount. It looks like it's got 3M tape there to secure it permanently to the windscreen. There's a single button to the side of it to operate it. There's no screen. On the back then you've got a USB port and a slot for a micro SD card and a tiny reset slot as well. I'm assuming you've got microphone positions here and underneath as well. It's a pretty small size in fairness, you know, judging by my hand. It's you know, that's quite reasonable. I think I could slot somewhere behind a rear view mirror. It's going to be fairly discreet, and it's quite a pleasing shape, I think. So there's the overview of the camera itself. I won't pull the lens cap off it just yet. What else do you get in the box then? This is the cable that you'll need. This is a standard USB to micro USB, so the same as the old Samsung style mobile phones before they flipped over to USB-C. So that's one of those, and it's got a right hand connector on it. I'm assuming so that you could bury this into the headlining of your car if you can get somebody to install it for you. So that's that. And in here, the last little box, if I'm not mistaken, this is going to be change that USB port into your car cigarette lighter socket. So that's great. I'm glad they've supplied one of those as well. That's really useful. Yeah, there we go. So that's that. So that is what you get in the box with the 70mm camera then. So apparently this can take up to a 64GB micro SD card. This 70mm camera has 1080p 30 frames per second, so that's full HD, recording at 30 frames every second, which is more than capable of capturing registration numbers of vehicles and things around you. So it should be quite a good camera from that sense. It's reported to have a Sony sensor, a 2 megapixel sensor, which that sounds low, but by all accounts it is more than capable. It's got a 130-degree field of view, which means that you should be able to capture everything in front of the windscreen, and a Mediatech chipset, so it's quite a good piece of kit. Right, in order to find the app for this, if you're a Google Android user, if you type in 70mm in the Google Play Store, you should be able to find it there, and the same in the Apple iOS. Alternatively, in the app itself, if you've got a QR code reader, they've got a QR code here, and there's another one here for this user guide online, so you can do that. And then down here in the app, then it's got the hotspot name and password and everything for the Wi-Fi. So once you've got it installed, you can use that guide then to connect your smartphone or your tablet or whatever you're using into this to operate it. Voice commands. So you can say take picture, and it'll take a quick screenshot of whatever's in front of it. You can say record video or record with sound, and it'll turn the sound on. And also you can say turn on Wi-Fi, which turns a Wi-Fi hotspot on here, allowing it to connect into your smartphone. So that's pretty much it from the voice commands. Other than that, everything else, including some of those functions, is all controlled from the button here. So you can press it once to turn the Wi-Fi on and off. Press it 3 times in a row, like I've already said, to format the memory. Press it 5 times to factory reset it, or press that button. If you press and hold, it'll turn it off, and press briefly to turn it on. So most of the functions are controlled from there. So this has been the unboxing video then for the Xiaomi 70mm smart dash camera. If you've enjoyed this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, and that would be very appreciated. Okay, thank you for watching. Cheers.